Oh my goodness, you are adorable. You want to try some? You're not so sure about the finger snack? That's okay. Here we go. We can put this into a little meatball for you. Yeah, that's delicious. How about you too, Egan? You want a little meatball? I think so. Here we go. That one's yours. Oh, good job, Preston. Good. There's a good pickle. Okay. Oh, I'm so proud of everybody. Yeah. Oh, big yawn, Carlton. Aren't you a majestic floof? Aren't you a majestic floof? Huh? Hello. Oh, good boy, Egan. Auntie is so proud of you. There you go. You can have that little blob that I put on your foot. Okay. May I borrow you? There we go. There we go. Don't hiss spit me. Don't hiss spit me, Camden. Okay. Good morning, precious. Good morning. How are you? How are you, little fuzz, huh? I know. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, your ears are looking so much better, huh? Yeah? How are you feeling today? There we go. Oh, Miss Camden's chowing down. Oh, perfect. This is the perfect brunch hour. Yeah. You're the mellowest kitten ever, aren't you? You are. You're just the mellowest. Hi. Oh. No, I have to really. There we go. What do you think? You? What? Okay. Well, we will just borrow you while Camden has her breakfast, huh? Yeah. Here we go. What's happening? Camden, are you licking your sibling? Yeah. Oh, adorable. Okay. Yeah, good. Look at look how fluffy you are. Look at you. You gonna do some sky butt? Yeah. Okay, so you guys have had your drops. Preston still needs them. I've got what are my things? Where are my fun things? Oof. Where did I put them? Fun things. What, seriously? I didn't bring my fun things? things in? Oh my god, that is terrible. Hi. No, I brought some like really fun toys in. I sure did. Oh, good job, Reston. You are a member of the Clean Plate Club. Hello. Hi. You can also be a member of the Fancy Eye Drops Club too. Yes, you can. Oh my goodness, you guys all look so much better than when you came in. There you go. Adorable. Okay. I'm so proud of everybody. Even though your room is a mess. It's terrible. Huh? Oh, seriously? Camden, you're gonna growl me? I am. Goodness, we do have a mess going on here. Okay, I have to go find my fun things. I don't know where I put them. Darn it. Okay. Yeah, you kitties won't believe your eyes, huh? You won't believe your eyes. Oh, stop. Oh, you stop that. There we go. There we go. Let's fix that for you. Here we go. Frogman here. Okay. There you go. There, just like that. Just like that. There we go. I know. Okay. Miss Camden needs her drops, huh? Yes, she does. Alrighty. I can't wait to give them to her. I know she's gonna be so happy. Hi. What's that? Wanna try? You can try. It's okay. You can think about it. Yeah. What a good guy, huh? Yeah, you can finish your snack too. There, Carlton. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Oh, I'd love to give you a big ringwormy scoop and squeeze, huh? Big ringwormy scoop and squeeze. Yep. There we go. Let's get you a little bit used to finger first, huh? There we go. Good job. Okay, little dude. I know. Here we go. What's that? okay. I know it is gross. There's just the tiniest tiny bit of pain there. Just the weeest amount. Here, cleanse your palate. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Honey. Listen, you're okay. There, how's Camden gonna eat her food? I feel like you've got your rump in it, huh? You got a bit more to do here. Oh my goodness. There we go. Look, that's for you. Yeah. Listen, you don't scare me a bit. You're just a little ball of fur and fluff. That's right. That's right. You're a little ball of fur and fluff. And I am a TK auntie. And I'm not afraid. I'm not afraid of anything. There we go. That's right. That's right. Okay. Oops. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's tidy things up. I am very happy with this morning's brunch. Oh, I know, the constant quest for snacks and treats, huh? Yeah. I'm gonna have to get you guys another tent, I think. Ooh, broken this already. Broken. Oh, no. Oh, it's fixed. There we go. Hello. Hello. You're so cute. You're so cute. And so are you. Oh my goodness. There is so much adorableness going on in here. It's a lot. It's a lot for one auntie. Right, Miss Camden? Hello. Oh, look how pretty you look. Look at you coming out. Huh? That's okay. You're fine. You don't bother me. We had some nice finger snacks last night, right? Not too much. Don't want to upset your tummy. There we go. There we go. What a good girl. Yeah. Come on. Maybe you'll eat your snack now, huh? You've got some privacy. You've got some real private dining happening there. I'll stop leering in at you too. Maybe make you feel happier, huh? I'm just gonna I'm just an auntie. I'm going about my business. I don't see any kitties here. Nope, no kitties here. La la la. La la la. Yep. Paying attention. Don't know what anyone's doing. Nope, it's all good. La 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 la. Here we go. Haha. That's right. Tricking kitties. There we go. I'm just gonna. Yeah, don't mind me. Don't mind me. I think you're gonna have to change your blankets and stuff this afternoon. What a mess. I think you guys trashed the joint last night. is happening here? Okay. Oh, I'm just checking. Oh, I see we have Mod Becks. And, oh dear, we have a wild can. A wild can opener. Just checking the camera angle, and what do I see? But a wild can. Okay. There we go. Oh. And you had 3. I'm hiding. No Auntie here. No Auntie here. Look at you, Carlton. Are you a doorman? Are you the doorman for the room? Am I going to come in and you'll say, "This is Carlton, your doorman"? You don't know what I'm talking about, do you? You've never seen the show. Oh, you're too young. You're too young. Oh my goodness, look how tired everybody is. Huh? Look how tired you all are. Did you like trash the joint last night, I think, huh? You guys trashed the joint? Yeah, look at you. Okay. Boop. Huh? I booped your nose. You know what that means. That means I've added you. I've added you. We're going steady. We're going steady now. Yeah. Just don't tell Banksy and don't tell Trent. It'll be our little secret. Yeah. Oh, what a cutie. Yeah, okay. No. Oh, you had your breakfast? And you've had your hissings? Good girl. Your breakfast and you've done your hissings? Huh? Now you get your eye drops. Oh, I know. Hey. Hey. Okay. I brought some like things down. I brought like a wand and a little scratchy hand. And now I think I left them outside, so I'll have to bring them later. I'll have to bring them later. Hey, what's that? That's okay. Remember last night we had like a nice little scratchy scratch session under the chin scratches with a spoon. Yeah, and you quite liked it. It made you quite happy. I know. I'll get the magic hand. I promise. I promise. I'll get the magic hand. Oh, look at that big leg stretch. That's right. What do you think? Boop boop. You don't like it? You want to finish your grooming? Okay, I still have to do your eye drops and things. Don't think I've forgotten about you. Aunties never forget. We're like elephants. Huh? We're like elephants. We never forget. Okay. Now what we have here is a terrible situation. And somebody's room sure needs cleaning up. Yeah. Okay. Now. Okay, this is the good part. This is the fun part. We're going to do some litter box sweeping and check out the offerings. Where's my sleeping bag? Okay. Okay. Amazing. Amazing. No. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Egan. Oh yeah, that's right. Oh, retreat, retreat. I'm gonna change this. Oh my goodness. What is going on here? Maybe it's taped somewhere. Okay. Okay, this is okay. This can wait. Okay. Let's just kind of get tidied up here. Huh? Let's get tidied up, huh? Maybe that's taped to the wall. I don't know. Sometimes it's all very complicated for an auntie. Mm-hmm. Yes. Aunties never forget, but sometimes sometimes we get confused. Okay. Hi. Alrighty. Yeah, you guys are messy. We need some more blankets. I'm sorry. Boop. Mm-hmm. No, that's yucky. That's yucky. Mm-hmm. Over you, Mr. Carlton. You know. Did it? Oh my goodness. Oh. There we go. I was so pleased. I feel so popular. Okay. Let's check. Okay. Cute. I think I'll take that away. And then okay. There we go. Oh my goodness. Is this brunch taking hours or what? Huh? Isn't this the funnest brunch ever? It is for me. I hope Can's not being cheeky. That's right. Mm-hmm. I hope that... Oh my goodness. That can. Okay. Bex, I think you gotta take that can down. Mm-hmm. I think you need to take that can down a notch or two. That's what I think. Mm-hmm. Better not say that, or maybe Can will ban me. Maybe I'll get banned from chat or something for being too cheeky. Huh? There we go. Mm-hmm. Oh! Yeah, you like Mr. Croissant, do you? Yeah. Oh my gosh. What do you think, huh? You want this spring? Get it. Get it. Mm-hmm. Anyway, it's definitely on between Can and I. And the screen says kittens 1, or it did. Kittens 1 and Cam 0. I think it should say Auntie 1 million and Can -1 million. I think that would be perfect. Because that's what it is. Mm-hmm. There we go. Here. Oh, I know. Oh, get it. Get it. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Comment vous appelez-vous? There we go. There we go. Okay. Oh my goodness. Here we go. There's no reason aunties can't have fun with the cat toys too. Alrighty. I want to be in with my fun things. My little brushes and scratchers and all the tools of the antique trade. Oh. That's right. Auntie Pam always wins. Thank you, Bex. Thank you. Bex, 1 million. Can, -1 billion. That's where we're at now. I know, the tally keeps changing. Okay. Oh, AT. What happened to it? Did you lose it? Where's Spring? Where'd Spring go? Oh, that's fun too. That's a fun one. Yeah, that's right. You bit it. Yeah, you show it who's boss. You got it. Yeah, I know. Don't take any nonsense from this half egg. Yeah. Oh, that's right. We're gonna. I think you can probably join the Canucks. Ooh, as a rookie. Oh, this is a good game, isn't it? Oops. Yeah, thank you. Kitten hockey. Oh, it's a good sport. It's a great sport. Spectators love it. Okay. Now you're going to know your sibling, are you? Oh, you're such a little spark. Okay. Oh my goodness. I have to say, Ken is really trying hard today. Trying hard to be in full effect. But it's hard when there's a sharp-witted auntie in the room, huh? Sharp-witted auntie. That's right. Yes. And one day, Ken, when we meet in person, we will put on giant sumo suits. And we'll have a wrestle. We'll have a wrestle. On pay-per-view. Okay. That's right. Go get it. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Hello. Everybody wants in on the action. You can do it too, Egan. Yes, you can. Oh. Let's just say these offerings in the litter box are absolutely stunning. Fantastic. You guys really know what you're doing, huh?